Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I will be unboxing this box with you guys, and this is by the brand Shesha, and this is the PR packaging by the way, and definitely it's the beautiful PR packaging I have received till date, and it also has my name written on it, so this is like a very special moment for me. So the box, you can see it's a beautiful designer gold treasure box and I love it. So I haven't opened this yet, I don't know what's inside, but I know it's by the brand Shesha because they have actually written their name with love from Shesha by Pan Labs Private Limited. Thank you so much for this beautiful packaging. So yeah, let's unbox this and see what I have inside this. Okay, wow, there's a mirror inside which is beautiful. It has a velvet, red velvet inside it, and it has a case again. Beautiful. Okay, I got some products you can see inside. So let's see what I've received. So the first thing I received in this box is this Shesha hair oil in lotion, and this is 50 ml by the way, and it is enriched with almond oil, olive oil, avocado oil. So let me read out the description. It does nourishes hair and scalp, it prevents hair loss, it prevents dandruff and itchy scalp, okay, gives smooth, silky and shiny texture to hair, prevents frizzy hair problems. Okay, that's great. And how to use it? It should be applied on dry hair. Take 4 to 6 drops of Shesha hair oil in lotion in your palm and massage it on your scalp and hair with your fingertips. Let it dry for a while and comb your hair as usual. So this can be used on a dry hair. So I'm definitely going to try this out and it looks amazing. Let me smell this first. Okay, this one smells nice. Really nice, really refreshing, so I'm definitely gonna try this really soon. Okay, so the next thing I received in this box is a facial kit, and it is a 5 steps facial thingy. It has 5 steps. First is cleanser, the second is scrubber, the third is massaging cream, the fourth is face pack, the fifth one is rejuvenating and fairness cream. I've never used facial or bleach on my face, so I never want to do that. So I'm gonna try this out on my mom, and if she likes it, I will let you guys know. And yeah, thank you for this again. Okay, so the last product I received in this box is this Shesha Ayurvedic oil, and this is enriched with milk, 5 essential oils as well as 18 herbs. This one says it prevents bacteria and fungal infections, it prevents headache and mental stress. Third is it nourishes follicles. The fourth is it prevents dandruff as well as lice. So the application is just gently massage it on your scalp. So I will try this out because I have dandruff, I have some mental stress. I mean, I'm just kidding. I'm definitely gonna try this out because I have dandruff and headache is always with me, so I'm definitely gonna try this. This is the inner packaging by the way, it's a white packaging. Okay, it does not smell bad. It's strong, but okay. It has massive ingredient list by the way. So yeah, I will try this out as well as I will try this one out because it says you can use it on your dry hair. So I will try both of this and I will ask my mom to try this one out, and I will let you guys know in my upcoming videos. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys like this unboxing with me with this beautiful treasure box. And if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye guys.